VickyJ here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. So guys, from the title, I will be attempting to do a clip-in headband wig. Now, I mean, you guys have seen the whole trend with the headband wig going around. Because I am not a wig person, I don't own a wig, I don't have a selection of wigs or anything like that. But I just find it intriguing, and since I already have some clip-ins, I said, you know, I can probably replicate a headband wig. You know, all you need is just hair and a headband. What could be so hard with that? This is going to be my first attempt, guys, and I'm actually doing it together with you guys. I'm going to be using my Better Length clip-in hair. I will put all the information about this hair down below, but it's a beautiful hair. I was gifted this hair a couple of months ago, and it's just absolutely beautiful. The texture is just like really so natural, and you know, it's so realistic, and it feels amazing. So this is how I actually store my clip-ins when I'm not using them. I just have all of them all together. There are 8 wefts, and I think the wefts are all doubled, so I have 8 wefts here all together that's like rolled into this little ball, and then I just use this little scrunchie to hold it together so you guys can see how long this is. I'll put all the information down below. Right now my hair is in a protective style, and I've been wearing this for the past week, and I was about to take it out when I'm like, you know, it looks a little good. It doesn't look all messed up or raggedy. I think I can push it another week, you know, because my hair is all clean and stuff, because I had, you know, had a recent wash before I braided it up. And I'm like, you know, let me just try this out, see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna take it out and just continue with what I was gonna do, wash my hair. Now my hair is just braided in 4. I just have like 2 braid on the side and 2 in the front. So there's just 4 braids all together. It's not a desired pattern as far as using to put on clip-ins, but I'm gonna try it out today and see how it works. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna scrap the whole thing and start over and do what I was gonna do, which is wash my hair. You see, I already did my front. I just did a little bit of baby hairs, and I got the hair nice and laid, and I just used a little band to hold that in place, you know, to set it. So my front will have a little bit of action going on to blend in with the rest of my hair. So yes, so if you guys want to see the results of my makeshift clip-in headband wig, the replica of the actual headband wig itself, just keep on watching. Okay, so guys, this is the last weft that I'm going in with, and this one has the 4 clips. Now this is the largest of the, I actually said I had 8 wefts. I think there are only 7 actually. Sorry for the mistake. There's only 7 wefts. And this is the largest of all the wefts. So I'm gonna bring this one right across this top area here. And this is gonna probably just kind of full out, you know, the balance of the hair. So let's keep pushing, guys. Let's keep pushing. Okay guys, so all of the wefts are in, and I think that it gave me enough body to, you know, cover all the braids. So let's see. Okay, so I think we have enough body, guys. So let's just go in with the headband, and I have this little black headband right here. Still gonna have to be cautious, you know, because those braids are a little lumpy, and if I'm not careful enough, they can poke through. But you know, hey, this is just a trial. My first attempt at this whole thing. So far, we're looking good. Over my ear though. So, my ear's out of there. I'm just gonna bring this back a bit, because I still want my hairline to show, so it gives a more realistic look, you know, instead of just like covering everything down and making me look like if I'm bald-headed. A little bit over here, but you know, you just gotta keep this down. The whole point about this is keeping that front area from not looking as though you're wearing something. Like, yeah. I don't think I did too bad at all. I think I pulled it off. We got our edges going, we got our headband on, and you're not seeing where the clippings are in. Everything is concealed behind the headband. The only thing is that my braids are a little lumpy. As I said, these were not the right size braids, you know, to do a clip-in. And then on top of that, there's not a lot of wefts. If I had a whole lot more wefts to go in, you know, that would probably give a much more bulk to the hair. But since it wasn't a lot, yeah, the braids are a little lumpy in the back, but we're pushing through. You guys in a little bit so you can see how the hairline looks. Got my little fronts, my baby hair showing. I'm not good at doing that, guys, but you know what, your girl tried. Got my thing going on, my headband on, and yeah. So now you guys have seen the headband wig trending. It's been trending all over, and you know, when you purchase these headband wigs, they do come with like a band around the front of the wig, because you have to pull it on over your head, and then you get extra headbands, you know, like colorful, fun type of band, really cute, you know, to put over that. So you're kind of like double banding, it looks like, you know. So you have the headband that's actually going along the wig itself, and then you're getting these fancy, colorful other headbands, you know, to cover that and hide it. If you're creative and you do have clip-ins, you can go ahead and do the same technique and recreate your own little headband wig. I am totally impressed with the way it came out. You know, I just have to be conscious of my little bulky braids in the back here. Then again, it could be the way how I place the clip-ins in the hair, you know, but I can work around that, you know. But for now, your girl is ready. I mean, I can work this somewhere. This is looking so cute. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little fun little video. And again, you know, be creative. If you guys, you know, have any type of extensions hanging around, clip-ins for all that matter, you know, go ahead and try this technique. You know, all you need is just hair and a headband, and I think you're done. You know, you're gonna have yourself a headband wig. So yeah, so this was really fun to do, guys. I might probably leave this in for a couple of hours or maybe a day or two, maybe just enjoy it and probably take it out. But other than that, I just hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell down below to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video.